Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share a super healthy and delicious recipe, Moringa Chutney, Indian style. But before we start, if you're someone who wants all the amazing health benefits of moringa in an easy way, check out Moringa Magic Supplement, a powerful dietary supplement packed with the goodness of moringa leaves. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. To make this flavorful chutney, you'll need 1 cup fresh moringa leaves cleaned and washed, half a cup fresh coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts or roasted chana dal, 2 to 3 green chillies depending on your spice level, a small piece of ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste, and a little water for blending. First, lightly sauté the moringa leaves for 2 to 3 minutes to remove any bitterness while keeping the nutrients intact. Next, add them to a blender along with coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, roasted peanuts, salt, and lemon juice. Blend everything into a smooth paste, adding a little water as needed. And there you have it, a vibrant, tangy, and super nutritious moringa chutney. This chutney pairs perfectly with dosa, idli, paranthas, or even as a healthy spread for your sandwiches. Moringa is known as the miracle tree for a reason. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And if you want to make sure you're getting your daily dose of moringa without the hassle of cooking, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a simple, convenient way to boost your nutrition. The link is in the description below. Go check it out!